you tryna be cute with no lashes on. Heard you call yourself a hot girl with them plastics on. Said he acting up, then girl, put them lashes on.
Hey my billionaires, it's Justus Anteca and I am back with another video. So today's video we will definitely be unboxing some new inventory because that's what you're here for, or are you here for the giveaway? Because that's what we're gonna do first. We're gonna go ahead and announce the giveaway winner. Tell her what she won. Yes, let's give her a round of applause. All right, you guys. So I know you want to enter again. And to enter again, make sure you listen to this. You have to comment down below whatever I leave throughout the video. You have to comment that down below. You have to also include your IG name and you have to respond to me whenever I reach out to you. If you do not respond, then you will not be able to be the winner. You forfeit. So make sure that you're subscribed to this channel and make sure you're following shop.leamore on IG. If you're not subscribed and you're not following shop.leamore, you will not be able to win. So keep that in mind, my love bugs. And here we are. So right now I am unboxing some things. That is some double-sided tape. You know, there's some nail products. I did receive products like on 2 different days, so I kind of combined them for you guys for this video. I have a lot of, this is barely any tape. Okay. So I was pretty disappointed about how much tape there was. I don't know, maybe I didn't read, maybe I didn't know the measurements or whatever, but that was not what I thought it was gonna be. Which, for you guys who don't still press on nails, like, that is the acrylic tape that you use so that the nails stay in the like packaging and don't move around when it's in shipping. But yeah, they tried me, but it's cool. I won't do it again. So on here I'm opening up packaging for a custom order, which you guys saw me fill the custom order in my packaging video, which was my video on Sunday, my last video. If you have not seen that, go check it out because it was lit. But yeah, that is those are so freaking cute. I love when my customers order custom packaging because branding is everything. Like, you need to stand out. You cannot be one of 100 people with the same thing because, well, who gonna know you and how you gonna pop out and how you gonna be that? You could do it, but branding is everything. So I think I want to do a video on branding. Let me know what y'all think about that. Would you like a video on why branding is important and how to brand yourself and all of that? Like, would you like a video like that? I don't know. I think I'd be overthinking my videos because I was asking you guys, like, what do you want to see? Everybody was like, can we get a skin routine? Can we get our makeup routine? So I'm like, oh, well, here I am trying to be all extra and make all these extra videos when I could just be sitting here washing my face. Okay, bet. I'm in there. I'm cool. I'm with it. I appreciate you guys for telling me I'm ready. Y'all gonna get that real soon. But anyways, neither here nor there. Make sure that you guys comment down below 3 things, like 3 questions for me. I want to do a question and answer. So comment down below 3 questions and your IG name to be able to enter for this next week's, Sunday is next week. So Sunday's video, because this will drop tomorrow, which is on Wednesday. So yeah, to be able to be, enter into the giveaway, be a winner, possibly 3 questions and your IG. You must be subscribed to this channel and you must follow me, or really my business page, shop.leamore on IG. So it's so simple. It's super simple. You just come up with 3 questions. They can be business related, personal life, makeup, You could ask me my favorite food if you wanted to, but just 3 questions. Try to make them real questions, but yeah, 3 questions you want to know, because I want to do a question and answer. But yeah, that's something I'm gonna do, some swatches. So I just bought that little thing to swatch or whatever. I have been obsessed with nails. And oh my goodness, do you guys want to see my nail video for my birthday? Like, I think I want to record that when I do my birthday nails, because I'm trying to make them be real lit. Like, but then again, a piece of me want to do like something really chill, really plain, really subtle. And a piece of me like, baby, turn up. I want glitter and diamonds. I need the Louis Vuitton. I need the. So I don't know, but I know they're gonna be cute. So if you want to see me record whenever I do my birthday nails, let me know. I kind of want to record it. And then again, I don't know if you guys want to see that. So let me know. Let me know. But yeah, so this is just some more nail stuff, the little nail stand. Does anybody that watch me have a press-on nail business? If so, let me know. Let me know. I be looking at some of y'all IGs. Some of y'all don't even have a business yet. I think that y'all, because y'all watching me, I kind of can feel y'all want to have a business. Start that business, sis. This is the time. The longer you wait, the more you gonna regret not starting that business. I hear that so much. People be like, oh, I wanted to start a business. I was gonna start my business in February, and then I didn't because Corona. And then now everybody has a business, and now I'm still scared to start. And I'm like, well, if you still keep waiting, somebody else gonna take some more ideas. You better hurry up and jump on it. You know what I'm saying? What they say, slow feet don't eat, right? Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you check in with the Sunday video to see who the next winner is and to enter again. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful.
How you tryna be